My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the new ransomware, which is called Anthraxbulletproof. Anthraxbulletproof is a new ransomware that we discovered while researching new submissions to the VirusTotal database. My video is solely for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I'm showing you what can happen with your files after they get damaged by this ransomware. So now you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack you're able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Anthraxbulletproof ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Then people just realize that they cannot use their data anymore because of this horrible ransomware. The files will be damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. By the way, if you have discovered some of your files to be already damaged by the ransomware and some not to be damaged yet, I recommend that you carefully investigate the task manager. In case you find any suspicious processes that could be running in the background, the good solution is that you carefully research these processes and terminate their task. So right click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. This can help you in some cases. But very often it's just too late, and this Anthraxbulletproof ransomware may do its malicious job. And so now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this extension Anthraxbulletproof. The ransomware also drops this ransom note mentioning that users need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is researching your computer with the help of reliable anti-virus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner through Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts can also be modified by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it. After it gets successfully installed, start Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option will be available in the trial mode. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin researching and investigating your system. Most likely it would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware. So then the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin. By the way, the scanning will take some time. It may, of course, depend on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may also depend on the speed and the performance of your computer in general. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner Antivirus called Anti-Ransomware. You may go to Settings, choose Anti-Ransomware, And with this feature you will be able to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is finalized. So then at the lapse of some time you will see the information about threats and about their exact locations on your computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected. Combo Cleaner removes this ransomware, but it does not decrypt the files though. However, it indeed protects the files from being damaged in the future.